Once you get a green card, oftentimes many people they just want to go back to their home country and stay there for a long time. So if you stay too long on a green card, the green card is deemed to be abandoned, especially if you stay more than 1 year. And usually after 6 months, I don't even recommend it. And that means 6 months in a row. So one of the ways to deal with that is to apply for a re-entry permit before you leave. The question now is a lot of people saying, okay, I applied for it, I'm still waiting on it, and I'm not getting it. What do I do? Well, for the re-entry permit, the way it works, once you apply for it, you get your fingerprint done, your biometrics. You don't have to wait for the approval to go. I repeat that. For re-entry permit, you don't have to wait for the approval to go. But make sure if in case within the next 6 months when you're outside or 7 months or something, you don't get the re-entry permit, come back. But if in case it gets approved, you can use it from outside. So bottom line, you don't have to wait just like the advanced parole. People get confused because it's on the same form I-131. I-131 advanced parole, you have to actually wait for it to be approved to travel because this is a different thing. But for the re-entry permit, as soon as your fingerprint is done, your biometrics, you can leave, but make sure if in case it doesn't get approved within the next 6-7 months, you come back because then there's a chance it gets denied and you will have bigger problems. Now, talking about the fingerprint or biometrics, a lot of people, especially elderly people, you see that their biometrics gets rejected because of difficulties in getting the biometrics. So in those cases, I would recommend even after the biometrics, wait a little bit, get confirmation the biometrics went through, like maybe 1 month or so, or even 2 months, then you leave. So bottom line, if you have the re-entry permit file, you don't have to wait for it to be approved in order to move forward. But before I continue and talk a little bit more about this, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and please share it. And we will bring you daily immigration information. And also the most important part is that we are going to start now answering frequently asked questions that we get from the internet, from our forums, frequently from our clients, etc. So we'll try our best to bring you short answers. Sometimes they will be posted in shorts, but sometimes they require longer answers. So then I will post them in the regular videos. So the only way you will know that is to subscribe, of course. So bottom line here, if you have a re-entry permit filed, the same form I-131, you don't have to wait for the approval to leave. You can leave as long as you make sure you did your biometrics, which is your fingerprinting, and then you can go. Enjoy yourself, but make sure you come back within the re-entry permit time. If they give you for 2 years, you have to come back before it expires. And the other question I get, can I come back in between? Of course, you're free to do that, but make sure you talk to an attorney if you're going to leave for a longer period. You can call us at 510-742-5887, or you can just visit our website, piralilaw.com. I just put it there. Okay, so good luck to you.